guys, so in today's video we are cooking ketutu, a common food here in the Maasai community. As you all can see, this is like a desert. This is where they live. So it's almost lunchtime and the kids are almost coming from the school. So let's cook some lunch for them. So first we add cooking oil, and then after this we are cutting onions. We are cutting some onions and then some cooking oil. So after the onions are ready, as you can see she's holding some water. So we add some water. Leave a sweet comment on how have you ever made this type of food. Let me know in the comment section. After that we add some salt. More water. If the salt is not enough, you can add some more according to the amount of water that you have added. So at this point we are waiting for the water to boil a little bit. There are some goats here, as you all can see. So because this is like a desert, because of the dry season, they have shifted their cows to another place to find some, to find some grass, because it's very rare here to find some because of the drought here. It has not rained for quite some time, so the women stay back with the children. As you can see, the kids are here, so the women stay back to look after the small goats that cannot go for long distance. For long distance, these goats. The women stay back to look after them. You can see this is a manyatta. The women stay back to look after the goats, and then the men have gone to another place to look for grass for the other cows. As you can see, their cow shed is empty. They shifted them. At this point, after the water has boiled, we are adding some some maize flour. So using a spoon, you stir. Remember the ingredients are onions, and then cooking oil, and then we have some flour, maize flour. More maize flour. More cooking flour. Some cooking oil. We add some cooking oil. So in this case, we just use a spoon to cook the whole thing. You don't use any cooking stick. So as you can see the progress, this one has separated, unlike the normal ugali. You can see this is like rice. It has separated. So this is their traditional rice. I can't wait to taste it. Tell me in the comment section whether you've seen any type of food which looks similar to this one. So that it cannot stick together, you keep on stirring like this until it's ready. So apparently, when there's a old lady, as you can see, this is how they greet the younger ones. This is just to show respect. This is just to show respect. Even when I'm greeting like this kid, because she is anybody who is younger than you, she has to bow. He or she has to bow like that, as you can see. Yeah, that is to show. So as you can see, so far so good. So at this point, it's already ready, waiting to serve it. Our food is ready. It's now time to serve our meal.